This video is like the ultimate beauty hack. Self-care helps us maintain a good relationship with ourselves so we can transmit that good feeling to others as well. See, the fact is you cannot give others what you don't have yourself. It's about being as kind as you would be with others, but with yourself. And there are so many benefits to this. Stay till the end of the video to see what these benefits are. But here's how you can take care of yourself. Number 1 is sensory. This one is helping calm your mind. Think about all your senses: touch, smell, sound, and sight. When you tune into your senses, it really helps you live in the present better. Practice focusing on the functions of these senses so you can improve your awareness on the present better. Now here's how you could do it. You could meditate, or you could cuddle up in your soft blanket and feel the softness of your blanket. You could feel that warm water trickling down your skin when you're taking a shower. Walk barefoot in grass. Consciously activate your senses. It's amazing how we have so many senses. Activate these senses, and trust me, you'll be living in the present better than before. The second one is emotional. The best way to care for your emotional self is to completely deal with it. When you deal with your emotions head on, it really reduces your stress. How? With this little ingredient called acceptance. It feels easier to suppress our emotions, be it anger or sadness, and just let it all go down. But at what cost? Bottling up your emotions will only push that breakdown further, and it's going to get uglier and uglier. Deal with your emotions like you are the boss of them. They're coming from within you. How could you let your emotions control you? Hear your emotions out and deal with them because you are the boss of them. And for sure, you're going to see a fresh perspective. Here are some ideas that you could care for yourself emotionally. Keep a journal. Make time to be with a friend or a family and talk regularly. Cry when you need to. It's okay to cry. Don't feel ashamed to cry. It's only a way to express yourself and let it out. Sometimes it just makes you feel better to let it out. Sing along to your favorite song that expresses the emotion that you're feeling. The next one is physical. So you see, physical health is not only good for your body, but it really helps your mind function well too. It really helps blow off steam. It creates a channel for your energy to flow, and also opens up space in your mind to let more knowledge come in. Here's how you could practice physical self-care. Drink sufficient water. When your body is thirsty, give it exactly that much amount of water that it requires. Dance to your favorite song. Do yoga, because when you're doing yoga, you're not only stretching your body, but you're also focusing on your breathing, which in turn helps you stay in the present. Learn a new sport outside your comfort zone. Go for a walk. Make sure your body gets at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep, because a tired body is a tired mind. Practice complimenting yourself in the mirror and smile at yourself for being so capable and so strong. The fourth one is social. Humans are all gregarious animals, as Aristotle rightly said. Whether you're an introvert, extrovert, or ambivert, that form of social companionship is ultimate and is required by all beings. Communicating with other beings is so important and pivotal for your mental health. It really combats the feeling of being lonely. Because this form of self-care isn't only about doing things with others. It's about doing things with people who make you feel good. Here's how. Play a sport with your friends. Email or call someone that you haven't spoken to in a very long time. Do not socialize with people who disempower you. Sign up for a class. It'll really help you meet new people. Get a pet. Animals have a totally different way of communicating with us because they don't have what we have, and which is the power of speech. The way they communicate is truly from their hearts and from their true selves. Animals are truly selfless beings and have very unique ways in communicating with us. If you're thinking, "Meh, why should I do any of this? My parents are taking care of me, or my partner is taking care of me." Here's why you have to take care of yourself. You'll experience better productivity. When you start saying yes to things that matter and a confident no to things that don't, life sort of slows down and your mind gears up to create more. You have better enhanced self-esteem. When you say yes to yourself, you're sending positivity into your subconscious. If your inner voice is negative, it's only echoing in your mind badly, and this is sure to bring you down. So making the thoughts you think positive can truly impact every cell in your body in the right way. You'll have a healthier body and a healthier mind. With lesser stress and focused breathing, your body will encounter lesser flus, lesser colds, and lesser fevers because you know exactly what is going on within your body. And your body will be in sync with your mind, and you'll always have more to give. Sometimes taking care of yourself can feel selfish, but on the contrary, let me assure you that it is pretty selfless. When you take care of yourself, your empathetic knowledge improves because you have to work alongside your body, and this makes you better at understanding others as well. Because your observation skills improve and your awareness is high, you'll actually start feeling what the other is feeling, and this puts you in a better position to help them. You'll have more to give and better emotional intelligence to help you along the way. You see, in this pandemic, it's so important for you to take care of your mind and body. Your mental and physical health is what you need to be hibernating upon. So help others by truly helping yourself first. Staying in the present is truly challenging. And why, you ask? It's because our mind is in this constant trap of continuous thought loops. And it's really difficult to break these loops, but it is not impossible. The only obstacle that you have to get over to break these loops is yourself. What is truly stopping you from being in the present? Think about that. And if there is a thought that is so compelling that your mind cannot stop thinking about it, see it through. Take time out, don't multitask, sit down and think about that thought. It will truly give you the answers. Take time out and meditate on that thought. Make sure that you don't stress your mind out though. Take breaks, it's okay. Our minds are only as powerful as we allow them to be. Self-care is so important in this world because there are so many things around us that are distracting us, that are bringing us down, that are making us feel bad. But the only thing that can make you feel good right now is the attitude that you have towards yourself. Remember that you will always be your best friend, that you will always know how to care for yourself better than anybody else because you truly know how you feel. So take care of yourself because you are important to this surface of the planet. Because without you, there is one less drop in the ocean. And with you, there is more joy in this world. Take care of yourself. You are truly more important than you think. I really hope this video added value to your time. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon and all that good stuff. And see you in the next one. Bye!